So, the caliper goes on here. There's a little notch and a groove that even a moron like me can, okay? But you're going to connect this first. So, I'm going to connect this, and this has an angle so that if you go back up here, you should have a hose that faces up and not down, right? Because if you do that the other way, that angle would be down. Okay, so we'll connect that. So here's a mock-up. Here's the original line. Comes up here. Okay. And then I got the original line in the So I broke down and bought one of these vacuum pumps to bleed those brakes. And a lot of air came through there. Boy, a lot of air came through. In all my years, that was the most reticent one. Anyhow, it works great now. Everything's rebuilt, you know. The master cylinder has a new piston. The caliper has a new piston. It's got a new rotor, just like the front. So we're getting there.